Get the Tomahawk Pro Series Jumping Jack Rammer powered by a GXR 120 Honda engine. The hardest hitting rammer on the market. With a compaction force of 3,550 pounds per square foot, reduce the amount of passes needed, and achieve 98 to 100% compaction ratings on field density tests on cohesive and granular soils up to 26 inches. Using its 13 by 11 inch laminated steel shoe, this rammer is perfect for projects including 12-foot wide trenches, retaining walls, foundations, patchwork, tight spaces, and more. Work smarter, not harder, when using Tomahawk's 3-in-1 Quick Start system. With one turn of this rammer's fuel knob, engage the engine switch, fuel valve, and choke at once. Not only easy to use, you will eliminate carburetor issues and extend the life of your rammer, helping you get the most out of your equipment and investment. And with Tomahawk's dual air filter design, avoid engine clogs and allow your Honda engine to run longer year after year in the dirtiest of conditions. Equipment shouldn't make you struggle. Use this rammer's lifting handles and rollers to make loading and unloading easier for day-to-day transportation. Plus, with incredible accessories including 4-inch shoes, convenient wheel kits, and hour meters, this rammer is perfect for rental yards nationwide. Assembled in the United States, this rammer is durable, tough, and built with a robust, no-plastic, all-metal roll cage to protect your Honda engine, making it perfect for the harshest job site conditions. And with even more incredible features including a lifting hook for on-site transportation, durable metal throttle control, and the industry's longest-lasting German bellow. Guaranteed for harder compaction without wear, this rammer has everything you need to keep your job site running smoothly. Check it out today to see why the U.S. Department of Transportation and contractors nationwide are choosing Tomahawk for their soil compaction work. Power your world and get your